The Rockin H 42-foot aluminum trailer is a great addition to a layout, a nice variation, and totally easy to assemble. There's only two pieces to this trailer to worry about: the rollover tarp frame and then the trailer body. First thing to do is to remove the rollover tarp frame. Remove the pins from the inside. Once the pins are all removed, if the rollover tarp frame happens to be warped, set it on a flat surface, then warm up the plastic with a hairdryer on low. The plastic will get soft and it can be pressed into place. Let it cool and it will keep its shape. To clean the plastic for prime and paint, you can use isopropyl alcohol on a rag and wipe off any foreign material from your fingers, oils, and any impurities left over from the printing process. You can also use lacquer thinner, acetone, or mild soap and water. Once you have the plastic clean, you can prime and paint the color of choice. I use aluminum paint commonly on this to give it an aluminum flavor. When your paint is dry fit the rollover tarp frame to the trailer to ensure it fits. When you're satisfied with the way it fits, use a little bit of super glue on the inside edge of the frame to attach the frame permanently. A little weight may be needed to help the tarp frame set on the trailer. When the glue is dry on the rollover tarp frame, we can add the wheels and tires. The trailer is assembled. Now we can add detail if we choose. DOT tape can be added for a great looking addition. Tail lights can be added with a red Sharpie or a paint pen. Color can be added to the mud flaps with Sharpies of any color of choice or paint pens. Now we're ready to go haul grain.